welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Katie and I make stuff vegan. Okay, so boom. So I haven't done one of these in a minute, and I was going through like my footage to see, like, you know, making my little plans. I was like, oh, I want to do what I've been eating. I love doing these. I talk about them all the time because sometimes we need some inspiration. And it's not about the stuff we eat every day, but you know, if you want to shake it up, like everybody got their go-to meals, right? But we want to shake it up a little bit, you know, you want to try something a little bit new. So if you want to see what I've been eating, I guess over the past couple of months, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. I don't have any recipes, I don't think, for these, but if you see something that you want me to write up, I'll write it up. And I know I'll be saying that, but no, for real, like I'll write it up. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so if you know me in real life, you know that I freaking love Mexican food. Like I do. If not once a week, then definitely once every 2 weeks, I'm gonna have like some type of taco situation. And I wanted a taco bowl, so I made one. I had these tortillas that I didn't end up using for a recipe I was gonna make, so I'm like, okay, I'll just throw them on the side. But it's just like impossible meat, I feel like, or whatever, with rice and tomatoes and tofu sour cream. And I do a variation of this, like I think a couple weeks before, a couple weeks after, where I did tofu instead. This is like my go-to tofu recipe. I have a video of that on this channel, and I did like a little bean situation, and like I used my immersion blender to blend up my beans so they real smooth. I don't know, it's a hit. So good. I love these little taco bowls. And like also, you know, I don't really like leftovers, but for every once in a while when my weeks get real crazy, I'll make a batch of this like Mexican rice or whatever, and I'll do like a protein, more than likely tofu, and I just have it in there so I could just like put some stuff together and like go off to rehearsal or to teach or whatever I be doing. So like, yeah, this was good. I'll probably make it tomorrow or this week, something. I'll be making it, okay? Speaking of tofu, I loved this buffalo wrap. So I go to the Asian market every once in a while, and they be having, I feel like it's more of an international market, and they be having them big old burrito, what's it called? Burrito wrappers, burrito tortillas, the same ones they be having at like Chipotle and stuff. And when I buy them, I'm like, okay, what can I make with these, right? And I made this buffalo wrap. This came to me. It's not original, but I'm like, ooh, I'm finna shake up the club with this one. And I made this buffalo wrap. I used tofu. I coated it in buffalo sauce. I put like, I made my ranch dressing, because you know I be making my own ranch because I don't know, I can't be bothered with vegan ranch. It's so easy to make. And then some lettuce, some onion, some tomato, and I wrapped that junk up. Yeah, very much like Chef Boyardee is quaking in his boots because hello, it was so good, so simple, the perfect like little, it's not a light dinner option, especially, but for me as someone who likes to have hot dinner, I don't know, I just have to have a hot dinner every once in a while just to like, you know, shake it up. I did this and it was great. I need to make it again. It's been a couple months since I did that. Yeah. Okay, this one is super random, but I'm like thinking about doing like a cookie book. I don't know, girl, we gonna see. And so I was like, this was like over the summer, I'm like, let me whip something up. I'm like, I want some peanut butter cookies, really random craving. And I made some and they came out so good. They were so pillowy soft and like really great. It's not much to say about this. They're regular, you know, peanut butter cookies, you know, like you used to have back in the day when you was growing up or whatever. They were super good, like a regular peanut butter cookie. Great, now I want a peanut butter cookie. Now what we finna do? Okay, this last one is one that I make pretty regularly. I would say in the same vein as like the taco situation. When I was growing up, I've never was a pasta girl, but I feel like now when I'm just trying to get something to eat, I will whip up some pasta, but I'm finna make it like gourmet. That's the problem. So I will make like, there's this restaurant that used to be in my hometown that had like a rose, some pasta, like, you know, I can't think of the word right now. That's crazy. But it's basically where you combine like a marinara sauce and an Alfredo sauce. So I'll make a vegan Alfredo real quick. You know, I'll soak some cashews. I'll be like, okay, I'm about to go, you know, run to this place, but I'm gonna leave some cashews soaking so when I come back, I can get it shaking. You know, and I make my little Alfredo sauce real quick, 1, 2, 3, and then I add in a couple of, you know, about a quarter cup, something like that, half cup tomato sauce. And now you got like this rosé situation, and then you can add whatever veggies you want. I'll be adding broccoli, little roasted broccoli moment. I feel like spinach will be cute in here too. And one thing about me, I'm gonna top it off with some arugula. And I had a friend one time, she was like, oh, that's a salad. No, the arugula just does something to it. And also you gotta like sprinkle a little lemon on arugula. No, believe me when I say, when you have to have a pasta night, it don't have to be marinara and pasta. It never gave boring. You could, razzle dazzle it up. And I do different combinations. Sometimes I'll do a pesto cream where like I make the Alfredo sauce. I put some of that Trader Joe's vegan pesto in there. Now you got this whole gourmet meal, and it took like 10 minutes. Like, shake it up. You know what I'm saying? I feel like what I've been eating is shorter than most. I was gonna add one more thing to it, but like I didn't get a chance to. But let me know what you'll be eating because I need ideas too, okay? And let me know if you want to write anything out or do a video on something because I love doing a little video. That's why you're here, because I like doing this. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. While you're here, check out my other videos. This is episode 12. Girl, I got like, not math, I got 11 more. That's crazy. Don't tell nobody that happened. But anyway, let me know what you think. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.